Hey, what is up everyone? Nikkei Canadajin here, and today I'm going to show you how you can clean your Japanese air conditioner and really take it from looking like this to this. All using this one simple method which uses these two very simple products that you can find at any hardware store across Japan. So if you want to know how you can get your air conditioner sparkling clean and fresh, then please smash the like button for the sushi gods of YouTube. Okay, so for the first product you're going to need is this air con spray right here. So it really just gets rid of all that gunk and everything that's kind of plugged up in your air conditioner. It's super simple and super easy to use. So if you just look here, basically take off the cap, which is at the top right here. Then after that, make sure your windows are open and your air conditioner is off. Open up your actual air conditioning unit, shake it a little bit, pour that good stuff inside of it, let it set for 10 minutes, and then after that, well, all that gunk and everything should run out of your air conditioner hose to the outside. And this really costs less than like a meal at McDonald's, and it's definitely worth it. I think this one cost around 500 or 700 yen, so really inexpensive, and especially for what it does, it's definitely worth it. And the second product that you're going to be needing to clean your air conditioner is this little guy right here. It's basically a brush to take off any excess mold or anything that's kind of sticking to those flaps of your air conditioner. Super simple, super easy to use. All it needs is water really, and you're good to go. And for both these products, for the spray and the brush, I'll leave a link in the description box down below. So if you don't want to go physically to the store, you can just get it online, so you don't even have to leave your house. Alright, and for myself, since my air conditioner is self-cleaning, I'm not actually supposed to put any kind of product inside of it. But that being said, for this one right here, this is supposed to be safe for even those self-cleaning air conditioners, but I probably wouldn't chance it because most likely if you put it on the self-cleaning function, that's going to be enough for whatever you need it to do. But if you don't have a self-cleaning air conditioner and there's no warning saying don't put any liquid or anything into this unit, then definitely this is going to be a great choice. And actually, I do have a second air conditioner that isn't self-cleaning, so let's try this out on that one. So let me know what your biggest takeaway from this video was, and let me know how long it's been since you've last cleaned your air conditioner. And until next time everyone, stay waku waku.